Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video. So today I'll be showing you a very powerful strategy to create Facebook ad creatives that have generated so much in revenue and crazy returns on ad spend. We've literally been able to scale brands up like over $100,000 a month just with this one ad creative type. So I'm very excited to show you this. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've grown my own e-commerce brand, Nancy Home Store, to around $9 million in sales. And now I'm helping other e-commerce stores to do the same thing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into my computer. So on my screen you can see a video ad that has literally generated ROAS between 10 to 20. So for every dollar you spend, you get between like 10 to $20 back in sales. So not at all rocket science. I'll play it for you here. So just a video going around the product and then promoting a certain sale event with a coupon code as well. So literally this ad, like only the product is different because it's a client product, so we can't show that of course, but literally the exact same, like just the client product, turning around it with a video like generated by AI that I'll show you how to do. And then you promote a sale, like a summer sale in this case, with a coupon code attached to it as well. So I will show you how you can generate a video like this as well. So I'll open up my browser here. Let's take a random product on Amazon, right? Let's go to amazon.com. We'll go to some popular products. Let's take some baby products, for example. Let's take a stroller. So let's see, for example, this stroller looks pretty nice. So what I'll do is I'll go to this tool. It's called Clade.ai. So you need an account with them, and then you can grab a white background image. For example, this image should be fine. And then we can put the image in Clade. We can first remove the background. And I would prefer to also have this removed. So let's get that removed as well. Erase this stuff, this. As you can probably tell, I'm also not like the most tech savvy person, but it's just very simple to do, right? So it's really not rocket science. You can do this as well. So it's right now removing all this stuff. It should be fine. Now I'll just remove the background one more time because you see this white now here. Okay, for some reason it's not gone yet. Let me just erase this again. Okay, for some reason this is still staying here. Let's just try to put a background on this thing. So first we can go to AI background, and we can tell the AI tool what we want in the background. So we can say like we can also put the stroller in the middle here, and we can say put the stroller in a modern living room. You can generate some images, so it'll take a little bit of time, but it's generally pretty fast. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go into Canva and first remove these little icons over here. So we can go to edit image, and I can even just crop it like this, and then done. I'll save this or download this. Yeah, because now we still have this happening over here. So I'll upload the new image like this. Then I'll resize it first to make it square here. So as you can see, sometimes it takes a bit of time, but it's definitely working well. So now it's made it a square, and now we'll remove the white background. So you just press on apply operation. So now we have it completely clean, and now we can put an AI background in here. So we can say put it in a modern, luxurious, large living room, just to make it like capture attention, like make it catch people's eyes. You can also generate 4 images at once just to get some more options. Here we have one. I think it looks a little weird like this. I think this setting looked a bit better, but this one doesn't look too luxurious to me. This one looks pretty luxurious, but it's just a bit random. I think it's really big, like compared to the sofa, so we'll need to see what else it came up with. So here we have another option. This I think looks pretty nice. This one is again way too big. Way too big. Too big as well. I think this one is pretty decent. So what we can do, if we're like, okay, this is looking really good, we want to use this for our advertisement, then we first want to make sure it's square, but in this case it's already square, as you can see. Then we can press on animate, and then we want to put in a certain prompt here, which I will grab, which is this prompt. So this says a subtle animation orbit around the product for a product center setting, camera move left, and then we just press on generate video. So now it's going to generate an animation for us. Now this takes quite a bit of time, so I'll cut out some time in this recording because this might take like 5 minutes. So the video has been generated. Let's see what it came up with. So it orbits around the stroller, and actually the stroller is even moving by itself as well, so I think it's pretty decent. Looks nice, definitely. So what we can do is we can download this, and now we can give it the overlay with the sail that I just showed to you. So we can go into a CapCut, which I'm using in this case. There's many similar programs out there, similar softwares. I'm just going to use this one. So I'll just put this video into the CapCut software, which I have over here. Then I'll just need to get rid of this video. I'll put this underneath. So now it'll be like this: summer sale, use code summer15. So the way that you make this effect is by going to effects, and then you want to use the typewriter effect, or where is this? So it's in animation on top, and then you press on typewriter, so you get this typewriter effect, which I think is pretty cool. So, and then you can go ahead and export this, export, and then once that's done, then you'll have your Facebook ad. So this Facebook ad, honestly, this is ready to test. Like, you could maybe have a little bit nicer image, but honestly, like if you were to sell this product, I would give this video ad definitely a try. And it has, like, if you have your website set up in a good way, then this is very likely to bring in solid sales. So I hope this made sense. I literally showed you from scratch, like from just a white background image of a stroller, how to generate a video like this, which I think is quite insane. This is just like, it looks like a professional camera studio shot this, right? So this is like ready to test. So like, we have the capabilities now with AI, so I would say definitely make use of this. Put some time and effort into it, get this AI tool, and then edit the video yourself afterwards with some sale event going on then. So this is literally how I generate ads that do like hundreds of thousands in revenue. So hope this made sense. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. I read all the comments myself. Also, there's a link in the description. If you have some problems to generate e-commerce sales, then you can read some more about it, how we help e-commerce stores to grow their sales. So feel free to check it out. I don't mind if you click it or not. I just hope you're going to generate way better video ads after this video. So thank you so much for your attention. Feel free to subscribe to see more videos like this. I post 3 times a week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.